Avocado toast is simply delicious, and anyone can make it. And here's a recipe that you can try. The ingredients: 1 ripe avocado, 2 slices of bread, whole grain or sourdough works great, salt and pepper, and optional toppings, which I would all include, is the sliced tomatoes, radishes, a sprinkle of chili flakes. Instructions: toast the bread. Start by toasting 2 slices of bread until they're golden brown and crispy. You can use a toaster or a toaster oven. Number 2, prepare the avocado. How? While the bread is toasting, cut the avocado in half. Carefully remove the pit and scoop the green flesh into a bowl. Use a fork, mash it up. You want it to be a little chunky, not too, completely smooth. And season the avocado. Basically add a pinch of salt and pepper to the mashed avocado. Mix it well and combine. Now spread the avocado. So once your toast is ready, spread the mashed avocado evenly on each slice. And for toppings, if you want, add a little favorite toppings like sliced tomatoes or radishes. And enjoy your tasty avocado as a quick snack. For breakfast is great. Eat a healthy and super easy to make. It's super healthy. And I'll tell you something. You put a little balsamic vinegar, put a little olive oil, put a little bit more balsamic vinegar, and you put a little bit more olive oil. You have a great meal right there.